So a little backstory of the Blackbird. It started in Black Mountain under the owners Bobby and Roz. They moved it to Asheville in 2012, and that's when I started as a day line cook. I worked my way up all the way to executive chef and then GM, and I had the fortunate opportunity to buy it in 2019, and I've been owner ever since. How you doing, guys? I'm Mike Reppert. I'm the chef owner at the Blackbird in downtown Asheville. So what we have here is a unique restaurant that kind of takes a little bit of traditional European and Asian cuisine and just puts a nice southern twist on it. We have great food, great cooks. We also have a wonderful wine list. We got our Wine Spectator Award. We have 140 bottles of wine, 40 by the glass, good beer selection, all local. Great cocktail menu. We do some barrel-aged cocktails, which are made in-house, which is one of our specialties. Even though we're located at the foot of the Loft Hotel, we are an independently owned restaurant. My partner and I are both love Asheville, and we've lived here for over 10 years. He's lived here for actually 20 years, so we love this place and we love the community. So we love working with local vendors and companies in Asheville. Some of the companies that we work with we get our coffee from Drippolator in Black Mountain. We get our teas from Asheville Tea Company, and assortment of beers. We also love The Chemist on Cox Avenue. We get some of their tequila and gin. One of our most popular dishes is our duck banh mi. It's a comfy duck made on our house-made sourdough bun with some hand-cut fries. Something that's exciting that's happening in Asheville is I'm opening a local bar with a coffee shop in the morning, bar at night. Just something for the locals to get into. It's going to be in South Asheville, over by Juicy Lucy, over by Shiloh. It's going to be called Shiloh and Gaines. It's going to be a really nice little location. We have live music and everything.